Most runners view the half marathon as just a stepping stone, but physiologically, it is actually the smartest race distance you can train for.
Think about it. The marathon gets all the glory, but training for 26.2 miles will absolutely hijack your life. For busy adults, that level of volume is rarely sustainable.
Let's look at the physiological trade-offs. The 5K severely punishes a lack of top-end speed. The full marathon punishes structural durability and fueling mistakes. But the half marathon, it perfectly exposes your aerobic strength and threshold pacing.
This is where a lot of recreational runners get tricked. They assume they must eventually run a full marathon to be a real runner and end up constantly injured or burnt out.
In reality, 13.1 miles is the ultimate test of your lactate threshold. You aren't just surviving, but you aren't sprinting either. You are riding the red line of clearing lactate just as fast as you produce it. But here is the mistake most people make. Because it has the word marathon in it, they train for it by just logging a lot of slow, empty miles. If you just jog all your miles, you will fade hard around mile 10. The half doesn't require massive 20-mile weekend runs. It requires a baseline of aerobic endurance, paired with focused, uncomfortable threshold work.
The half marathon is the perfect sandbox if you're a 10K runner wanting to step up or a burnt-out marathoner who wants their weekends back. This is your sweet spot. Look at the actual time load. A solid half marathon plan takes about 50 to 60% of the time commitment of a full marathon plan. You still get to see your family on Sundays.
Over this 8-part masterclass, we are going to build a system. We won't just build endurance, we are going to raise your threshold so that 13.1 miles actually feels strong, not just survivable. Your practical homework for this week: audit your current fitness. Don't download a training plan yet. Go run for 60 minutes at an easy, conversational pace this weekend. If that leaves you wrecked, you need base building first.
Audit that base, and I'll see you in episode 2.